Hi friends, it's Jean from the Inky Studio, and as promised, I'm here with a flip through of the bead journal I just finished. I am so happy that we had that giveaway. I want to say again how much I do appreciate everyone's support, and it was a lot of fun reading everybody's plans for the summer. And I don't know if you caught it, but the winner actually has followed me since I only had 180 viewers. So she is a long time subby and probably deserves a trophy for that. So anyways, it was lots of fun. So this is the flip through here. And of course, I have to do this from an Etsy shop as well. So this is held together with seam binding tie. I guess I got into a little bit of a knot, so I've got some hand crinkled seam binding there. And this is a tall and skinny, so therefore it is 10 inches by 4 1/4, so it's just a little bit larger than a traveler's notebook size. And of course I added a bee there. Now this is cloth that I printed on and mounted it on cardstock and sewed around it. So that's the cover, and here's a little bit of trim and this wonderful, wonderful quote. Really like that quote. And here's the back then of the cover. So it's like a document with the floral in it. I'll list down below where I got most of my prints. So we will open up here, and I have an altered tag, a little bit of vintage lace, a little label. So that is the large altered tag that fits in there. Here are some smaller renderings there. And then down in here is a couple more just kind of like tucked up inside that area. Just right there. And I probably should just lay these labels aside. And here's this beautiful, beautiful roses. A pocket with 3 fun little journaling cards, a little bit of lace, another little quote, some bees in the field. And this is a authentic ledger paper from a 1901, I believe, ledger, and some tea stain paper. So I've sewed down some crochet lace here and there throughout the edges. Here's a little flip over with some more lace on there. There is a envelope that's been tea stained. There's a little glassine pocket there up in the front, a little bit of bee with a little bit of cheesecloth there, and on the inside, which is shown through here, is the journaling tag through there. And some more beautiful, beautiful prints, bee page. And this pocket over here is, I don't know, I know that I'm a little off camera, but if I go up too far, it's hard to see the details. So this also has 3 journaling cards with these little hexagon shaped cards, so cute, and a little bit of collage. Another one of those authentic ledger papers. Here is a belly band with an envelope that I've not glued in case you want to write something in there and glue it down. What I always like to do with these is I like to kind of make a, when I do my journaling, I like to maybe write down a goal or make a prediction of what I'll do in a year, and then I'll come back and open it up and see, did it come true? Or you might want to write a secret in there. And here's a little bee on this lace. And inside of this flip out is a journaling card that we made this together. I will list down below the link to this and making those cards, and it is a fold out. Here is the middle. I've left the ties here in case you want to add something to this, or oh, you know what, I usually add my owl charm, so that's what I'm going to do here. I forgot to do that, but I will add that. And here is another pocket. Whoops. Collect beautiful moments. Love that tag. More lace down here with a little bee. Another flip out. And another envelope with a little glassine pocket up here at the top. Oop, he's a little glued there on the side. There he goes. I should put a little pull on him too. Here's a window tag that comes out of here, and that's the tag anyways. And then behind here is another belly band that you might want to slip some memorabilia into. Here is an authentic early 1900s postcard, as you can see. Thought these roses just match so well inside of here. So there's lots of roses in this journal, more than I thought. And here's another card, that tag that we did together, and it was sort of some beginner's way of doing some collaging, so I'll link that down below as well in case you're interested. Another journaling card, and here is a pocket with some more cards inside there. Cute little bird and some more roses. Here is another tag, and inside this flip out is another one of those cards that we made. A couple of little things on there. I'll put that away later. And there's that. 3 more journaling cards inside this little pocket. And coming down to the end. So in the back pocket here, I have tucked in a little envelope. Nice little cute bee envelope. And inside is all kinds of itty bitty ephemera that you can use in your journaling. There's maybe a large card there, but most of it is something for you to add as you go along in your journaling, and that is tucked inside here. So that then is the journal, and this will be available in my Etsy shop, and that link is down below as well. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you got an idea of maybe some inspiration for you in your next journal or whatever. And for my next project that I'm going to be working on is going to be another tall and skinny with this gorgeous wallpaper print. I really like these roses a lot. And so this is simply 2 pieces of cardstock and sewn around the outside. And for the front, I'm going to be using this particular photograph. It's one of my favorites. Just love her. Like she's writing in her journal, inspiring you to write in yours. So that'll probably be on the front, either that size or this size. I don't know exactly how I'm going to go about that. But that will be what's next coming up. So hopefully we'll see you again real soon. Have a crafty day. Bye.